A big Boise-based tech company just entered the childcare business too, at least for its employees.
Micron broke ground early on a new childcare center. It's part of the company's Idaho Community Investment Framework, which gives their workers affordable childcare.
Our Abby Davis joins us now. And Abby, this is part of a bigger partnership that they have with the YMCA, right?
That's exactly right. This center has been years in the making. Micron's senior director of global well-being says they've been working on it for about 2 years. While the center is for Micron employees, it's not run by the company, or it will not be run by the company. YMCA employees will hire, train, and staff the facility. At the end of the day, Marni McDowell says they listened to what their employees asked for and acted on it.
This really came out of feedback from our employees saying that we need help with finding childcare solutions.
As we all know, Micron employees aren't the only people having a hard time finding childcare. Since the pandemic, experts tell me hundreds of childcare businesses in Idaho have closed. The ones that have stayed open are facing a budget imbalance soon because their federal pandemic money runs out next month. Idaho Association for the Education of Young Children Executive Director Beth Oppenheimer says businesses like Micron are part of the solution. Historically, she said business executives consider childcare a family issue.
Over the years, and especially during COVID, all of a sudden business leaders started thinking about, oh my gosh, childcare is our problem, and it is something that we need to take seriously and look at.
Oppenheimer says businesses can't always build brand new child care centers like Micron, but there are other options out there, like forming co-ops together and investing in one consolidated center. They can also partner with existing child care centers and pay for their employees to send their kids to child care. In rural communities, Oppenheimer says businesses should consider paying for child care in providers' homes, since some of those towns don't always have big centers. KTVB's Brenda Rodriguez talked to a Micron employee about the upcoming center. Tune in to Wake Up Idaho tomorrow morning to hear what it means to her family.
It'll be interesting to see if any other Boise-based companies follow suit. I know there are others that do this.
Yeah, it's a trend, yeah.
Yeah, but I'm curious to see if anybody's like, okay, Micron did it, now that opens the door.
But I know they've been working on it for a couple of years, right, Abby? But I'm sure with a lot of their employees, this is something they've wanted for many, many years.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, thank you very much, Abby.